Hey guys, I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to tell you all about Custom Cones USA's loyalty program. The rewards program is a great way to capitalize on purchases you're already making and help you get the most bang for your buck. It's easy. Just create an account on our website to start earning points and then redeem your points for exclusive discounts, merch, and free products. Let's start with how to sign up for the Custom Cones USA rewards program, what you can do to earn points, and then we'll go over how to redeem points and what you can spend them on. To sign up, go to CustomConesUSA.com. You'll see a red rewards button on the upper right of the page. Once you click it, you have two options. The Start Earning button will take you to a sign-in page where you can sign into your existing Custom Cones USA account or create a new account. You can also find both of these options if you scroll down on the rewards page. Clicking Sign Up will take you right to setting up your new account. Whichever way you sign up, you'll find 100 points added to your balance just for signing up. Once you sign up and earn your first 100 points, scroll down further down the page and find all the ways you can earn points. You will earn 10 points for every dollar you spend on our site, and you can earn additional points by completing tasks like following us on Instagram, leaving a review, and subscribing to our newsletter. There are so many ways to earn points, you'll be racking them up in no time. Rewards include cash discounts on your purchases, free items like our work in progress trays, glass and wood filter tips, and even our premium hemp wrap and glass tipped pre-roll tubes. You can even earn free machines like a cigar roller if you rack up enough points. Now you should be able to get the most out of your rewards membership. Please contact our customer service team if you have any further questions. Thank you for being a loyal customer. We strive to help grow your business.